Buongiorno a tutti. Here today we are in very special place. This is the 3D printing lab of Eumakers. Eumakers is a very good company from here, from Puglia, which is going to be our strategic partner in the developing of our smart manufacturing lab in our program, in the ARC lab, program which is going to be done here in October, November. And this company is a very unique company because this is one of the leader actually in the producing of raw material for the 3D printing. And we are very excited to have this partnership because with this company we can count on a very unique, huge, I could say, know-how in such technology, which is going to be one of the most important part of our smart manufacturing lab. And with Eumakers, we can investigate and we can work in, investigating problems that we can find here in the local ecosystem. So for us to start this partnership with such good company is a very important part of our program. So we are very excited to be partner with Eumakers. Here we can see a scanning process where they used to indeed scan the body of a person that which then could be 3D printed here. So from Eumakers lab we are waiting for you during our program. Bye bye.